Need a new fridge door gasket? Here's how to make sure you get the right one because gaskets are model specific and there's no universal fit. Step 1. Get your model number. Look inside the fridge compartment on the left wall or ceiling for the label. Write down the exact model number. Step 2. Determine which gasket you need. Refrigerators have multiple gaskets. Fridge compartment door gasket. Freezer door gasket. On French door models, left door and right door gaskets are different parts. Step 3. Order by part number, not by description. Go to your manufacturer's parts site or repairclinic.com, enter your model number. Find the specific gasket for the specific door that needs replacing. Common mistake: people measure the old gasket and try to find a match by size. Don't do this. Gaskets stretch and shrink over time, so measurements of the old one are unreliable. Always go by model number. Cost: gasket parts range from $30 to $80 depending on brand and door type. Samsung and LG gaskets tend to be on the higher end. Whirlpool and GE are more affordable. Installation tip: new gaskets come folded in a box and are warped. Before installing, run the gasket under warm water or lay it in direct sunlight for an hour to soften and straighten it. This makes installation much easier and ensures a tight seal. OEM gaskets in stock for most models. Port St. Lucie, Stewart, Fort Pierce, Jensen Beach. Call Treasure Coast Appliance Repair at 772-353-5791.